In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoice with Acuity Scheduling. In order to do that, first head over to acuityscheduling.com. Into this part, just click on this Get Started in order to create an account, or click on this Login option in order to log into one. Since I already have an account, let me just proceed to log in. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see right here your actual dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, you can find your left sidebar. And under this, you can see some options like payments, tax, and the likes. Now, you should also be able to show right here some invoices. Just head over to the payments option. Under that is the invoices. Click on it. And then in here, let's click onto this create invoice in order to create a new one. Input right here the name of the client. Let's input right here their name. Now we have in here this Jane, and input their phone number as well as the item that they actually acquired. Click on this add new item. Let's add in here this event as well as this. And you can also have the option to change the quantity right here. Now we have in here the subtotal, additional tax, total due, and as well as the invoice ID. Due date for this one, let's add a due date in 7 days. You can get notified when invoice has been paid, and you can also show right here or share your communication via email or manual link. Once you're done with this part, you can head over and preview the email first before sending it out. Here is what it would look like. Now close this, click on send. In order to send this, click onto the send option, and you should be able to be sent. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.